Hi there, how's it going? It's Zidane here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall or delete an app on your iPhone, step by step in few clicks. Welcome back. After unlocking your phone, you just head on to the apps that you have. As we all know, we install a lot of apps. Sometimes your phone will be out of storage, or you want to increase your phone performance and delete some of these apps, or sometimes they are just useless or you no longer need them, so you may need to remove these apps. Here we'll be taking the example of Google app in here, the main app, which takes a lot of space, almost 300. Let's check. Let's check the size of this app. Search this one. Well, as you can see here, we will save almost 340 megabytes, which is much space and storage. Great. In order to remove this app, you just need to select the app you want to delete, press on it, and voila, a new menu will appear, and here you will have remove the app or delete the app. All you need to do is to hit this icon, and voila, a new window, confirmation window will appear. You can just remove it from the home screen, or you delete the app for good and save storage. Great. What you want to do here is just to delete the app, confirm delete, right, and it is deleted and it has disappeared from the home screen. Let's check now the App Store to see. Let's check the App Store to see if the app has been deleted or it is still there. Refresh. Let's refresh again. Right. As you can see here, you can get it. It has been removed. You also still have the option to use third-party apps. By using some of these utilities like Simple Cleaner, Storage. So there are plenty of these apps in the App Store, but it is better to use the default ones or the easiest method, as we want to reduce the number of apps installed in our device. And that's it. Hope that was helpful.